Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing a Rode microphone. This is the VideoMic NTG. It's a new member of the Rode family, and I bought this to replace the two other microphones that I have from Rode that I've been using over the last couple of years. This is the VideoMic Pro Plus, which I use for all my videos that I record on the camera, and this one is the Rode NT USB, which I use for all my voiceovers. So this mic technically will replace both of those because they've made such great design changes that you can now use it for voiceovers as well as an on-camera shotgun mic. So let's have a look inside. I'll show you the box first, of course, as I always do on my videos. So that's the front, as you saw, and that's the sides. And last one, I think the bottom just has, yeah, not much there. So we'll just get it opened. There we go. And I think it slides out, does it? Here we go. Oh, it comes in a second box. Now, is this the same sort of info? I'll just show you this box. I'm not sure if it's the same or not, but I know some of you like to see the specs on the boxes that you sometimes can't see close up on the ads for these. So yeah, let's take it out of the box. So we have, oh, there it is. Oh, not sure if I should be pulling it like that. Here we go, this is better. It's a box within a box within a box. Okay, let's see. Looks to be a few different pieces there. How does this work? Oh, here we go. It's like everything folds into everything else here. I'm having some trouble just getting it out. Let's see if I can carefully. There we go. Oh my gosh. All right, here we are. We'll do a mic close up first, so there we go. I believe this probably comes off. Yeah, it does. So there's the close up of the front and back. All right, I'll pop that back on and we'll see what else is in the box. Cables, no doubt. Yep, there's cable. That's it. Actually, not much, which is good. There's a little pamphlet. Should we open that and just have a quick look? Oh, where are we? 14, 15, 1. Here we go. I'll just scroll through it like this, maybe. And the rest of it is on the back. Okay, and two cables. What have we got there? We've got this one. And we've got this one. Now this is the USB-C. Yes, you know my love of USB-C. So let me just take that one out so we can see it. Oh my gosh, so fiddly. Okay, here we go. So that's that one. So USB-C and USB-A. All right, so I guess we should test this out. So what I might do is just pop this on and we'll see if the video is any different to what it was just before. I've currently got the VideoMic Pro Plus on just above the camera there. Okay, see you in a minute. Actually, I thought before I plug it in, I might as well show you the little bits and pieces and features of it. So just pulled it apart, and these are the 3 bits that you can make it into. So this comes off. It also has I believe, a dead cat that you can get for it if you require that. And then this just attaches back into here, just clips on like that. A bit hard to do in the air, but yeah, there's little actually grooves there to tell you where to align it to. And then you've got your plug in here that goes to the camera, just plugs into there. And then on the other side, you've got your USB-C charger, which just uses this cord to go from the USB-C into the USB-A into your computer. It comes with a 30-hour lithium-ion battery, I think around 30 hours before it needs a recharge. And then you've got a couple of controls on the front here. I think that's your high-pass filters and your decibel control, so you can also film, I believe, 2 separate channels. That one that drops the decibels, I think by 20 decibels, so that if you ever peak I think the right channel or the left one, I can't remember which one, is recording at a lower, so you can always recover your video, your audio, because one channel is always taping lower than the other. And that's your power on and off button, and just press it for 2 seconds, I think it is, to get it on and off. And the other great feature of this, also of course it has the mount here, sorry I didn't mention this, that just allows you to alter where you want this to sit, so that you can balance on your camera, you know, however you want the weight distributed. And that one just screws in, it's got the screw at the bottom as well as the hot shoe. And one good feature of this is that this will power off on your camera. So once you've got it plugged into the camera, just like the VideoMic Pro Plus, once you turn the camera off, the microphone turns off. And when you turn it on, it turns on, which is just so good because you never have to remember about turning it on and off and missing your audio. Okay, so I will plug it in now. Take 2. Oh my gosh, I forgot one more thing. So right in the back here is a little knob. Once it focuses, you may be able to see it, hopefully. That allows you to, I'm not sure if you can see that on the, yeah, you can. There you go. So see how it's changing the numbers? This allows you to control the volume of the input. So it goes from, is it 0 or 1 to 15? Yeah, 1 to 15. And yeah, that's pretty handy actually. I just tried it in between the takes there, and rather than going into your camera and adjusting the volume, you can just do it right there by controlling that knob, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that wasn't on the old one. I'm impressed with that. Okay, that's it. Let's put it on the camera now. You won't believe I have one more thing to say before we go to the test. These cables, I just noticed, have the Rode logo on them. Thank you, Rode. I love this because it allows me to cable manage. Often you have or I have several of these and I never know what belongs to what. So when they put the name, etch it in, I like that. I know this is a tiny little detail, but I am crazy for details. So I am really happy that these have a label. I know, it's crazy. All right, let's hit that test. Bye. Okay, so I finally got it on there. I hope I sound okay. I'm not sure how different it is. I might do a video that compares the two, the VideoMic Pro Plus, which is the one I just took off there. Now, one feature that this did have, oh my gosh, I can't speak today, is this plus 20 dB, which allowed you to turn down your preamps in the camera and get the mic to use its preamp. I don't know if that has that, but maybe it doesn't need it. I mean, technology is evolving, so I'm just not sure about that bit. But otherwise, it looks pretty cool. It's nice and light, and yeah, it's similar to this with extra features. And I just can't wait to use it for the voiceovers because, yeah, I'm sort of the minimalist type, so I like to have the least amount of equipment for the most it can do. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. I know this is not like a full test and review, more just a sort of what's in the box, and I like to sort of show what actually comes in it and the pamphlets and the front and back of the box, which sometimes I want to see but no one shows them, or there's very few people that show them. So yeah, if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments, and like and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and let me know if you want to see the comparison video. I'll be happy to do that. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.